In today's video, I'll teach you how to apply for auto loan on PenFed Credit Union. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in penfed.org. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of PenFed Credit Union. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now right over here, you'll be able to see the option for auto loans. So if you want to apply for it, first of all, what you have to do is click on this option, see if I pre-qualify. Now you'll be led to the auto loans interface. In this interface, what you have to do is click on this option, see if I pre-qualify, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to apply for your auto loan. You'll be able to find two options over here, member, guest. Simply click on the option of your choice. I'm not the member, so I'm going to click on this option, I'm not a member. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to apply for the auto loan. You'll be able to see the question over here, what type of auto loan are you looking for? Two types of options are here. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to find this question, how will you be purchasing your vehicle? Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see this question, do you know the specific vehicle you'll be purchasing? Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, scroll down and click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to provide them more information about your vehicle. You'll be able to find two options, find vehicle by vehicle identification number, find vehicle by make. So simply click on the option of your choice. Now you can see over here, you'll have to provide the information regarding your vehicle. First of all, select the year. Now what you have to do is simply select the make over here. Now also select the model. Now select the trim. Now select the vehicle mileage over here. Now click on the continue option. Now you'll have to enter the total amount that you would like to borrow. Click on the field of loan amount and enter the loan amount over here. Now after you do that, also select the loan term. Click on the field of loan term. Now what you have to do is select the number of months over here. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see this question. Are you trading in or selling a vehicle currently being financed? Click on the option of your choice. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to provide your personal information. So first of all, enter the first name. Now after you do that, you can also enter the middle initials if you want. Now what you have to do is enter the last name over here. Also provide your email address. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now enter your mobile number over here. Now what you have to do is simply agree to the terms and conditions. So simply check on this box that you can see right over here on your screen. Now click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll have to select the delivery method of the one-time passcode. You'll be able to find two options over here, text and voice. Simply click on the option of your choice and click on this option, send passcode, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, right now they're not being able to complete my request, but what you have to do is simply enter the OTP sent to your phone number. Now after you do that, what you have to do is simply complete the application. Follow the on-screen prompts in order to submit your application. You'll have to provide the information regarding your employment, income details. Also, you'll have to provide the identification. Simply follow through the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to complete the application and submit it. Check your email and phone for updates on your application status. They will review your application and accept your loan. So like this, you'll be able to apply for the auto loan. So that is how you apply for a PenFed auto loan. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.